let's try to see about row level security. Okay, how to secure your data. Let's see, this is my sample data. I have three tables, a region, customer and sales. The sample data is shown here as a table visual for your reference. Okay, all these are table visuals with respective columns. Now for example, here you have customer table, it have some region data. Okay, now let's assume I need to show only north data for particular people. How can you do that? How can you restrict or secure your data for particular peoples? That's why row level security comes here. You need to create one role which shows only the north region data. Then once you publish the report, you can assign some users who you want to show only north data, that people to this particular role. This is how it works. Let's try to see. Okay. First step is to create a role. For creating role, go to modeling, manage roles. Okay, left side you can have new button, click on new. Now type the role name. Here I just named this as region security. Now for which table you need to do a security? For customer table. Okay. Here itself you can do the roles or else switch to DAX editor. Here you can write your coding. For example, for me in region, customer region column where the value is north, that only I need to show. It means it filter out from customer region column only the north data and show that row to the persons who have region security role. Okay, that's what the functionality of this. Click on save and close. Now here, how to test this? If you publish in Power BI service, then you can assign this particular role to some users. When the user logged in, they can able to see only the north region data. But in Power BI desktop, how to test this role? Go to view as, modeling view as. Now all the roles will be displayed here. Click on this region security which we have created latest. Click on OK. Now you can see north region data only showing. Okay, north region data. This north region have 1 customer and 5 customer. In sales also 1 customer and 5 customer is showing. Okay, here you can see this is the relationship among these three tables, customer, region, sales. We have row level security on customer tables. Click on this relationship. Here you can see I gives cross filter direction at both and apply security filter in both direction. That's why in reverse also it's showing. Here you can see when the row level security applied, it shows north region. In reverse also, in region table also it shows north. Once you make this as unchecked, click on save. Now you can see it's not, the row level security is not applied. The people can able to see north region data also in region table. That's why this option is mandatory if you want to secure your data in all table. Okay, that will get enabled only when cross filter direction is both. If it's single, it will not show you. If it's both, then only you can able to apply it. Okay, this is one of the important point. This is how the row level security works. Now stop viewing. Now you have another scenario to implement row level security. For example, in many questions you may explore, the manager must need to see their own department sales data. Likewise, if you want to restrict the data for particular user, for example, if alpha at example.com is the user, then alpha need to see his own data only, alpha corporation data. It means customer ID 1, only the customer ID data 1. North region, only the north region data. Like that, if you want to secure with respect to the users, you want to use the function user principal name. Let's see how to do that. For that again you need to create a role, manage roles, click on new. This is demo for user security. Now which table? Customer table. Switch to DAX editor. Here I want to compare with mail ID column. So give mail ID column in customer table. What's the function we are using? User principal name. This is where whoever the login person, that mail ID is written by this user principal name. That output can verify with this particular column and show the matching row data only. Okay, click on save and close. Now again, how to test this? If you publish the report in Power BI service and assign the users, it automatically detects and show you. But now in Power BI desktop, we go for view as, click on the user security. Here also you can see I didn't sign in with alpha@example.com or prime@example.com. So here it will not be tested. What can we do? Here another option is given as other user. Now you can log in like any of the user. Here I am login with prime@example.com. Now the user principal function fetch this mail ID and match it with this mail ID column. Now matching row is 5, fifth customer ID row. So that only visible for us. You can see fifth row is visible, region north, customer ID 5. So in sales table fifth row only, customer ID 5 only visible. Backward also we select apply security filter in both direction. So backward also this rules applied, so only the region north for prime that is visible. Okay, this is how the row level security works.